Thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we have a package to unbox from Ironhide. This, if I'm not mistaken, is their new quick cover. So we are going to whip this guy out, and then we're actually going to throw it on this Honda that we're doing today and see how she fits. So cut the sides here, open this guy up, make sure we don't cut our new cover, like so, and drop that. And let's see if we can get into this bag. Oh, that's right, we got something else in here too to reveal. So I'm gonna throw that up there, going to throw that up there, and then unbag this bad boy. Wow. Tear this open, and we've got our quick cover here. Definitely gonna have to figure out a way to fold this or roll it up where it's a wee bit easier. So got all of our sponsors on here. Let's give this guy a toss and see how she does. Okay, we are upside down. Let's flip that over and lay this bad boy up here. Give it a center. These flaps here are weighted a lot like the repair blanket, so this helps keep it from blowing off while you are setting the windshield or working on the vehicle. Obviously this would go on after we pulled the cowling and the wipers, because lifting this, you could lift it, but at the same time you run the risk of it sliding down off of your hood. So you would throw this on after you pulled your cowling and your wipers, and then lay this across the top, and then that would be your hood protection and your fender protection for when you are setting the glass. So got some nice pockets over here we can throw stuff in. That one looks big enough for a glass cleaner can. You can throw your tools in here, miscellaneous shenanigans, wiper nuts and clips and poppers, anything like that. And same thing on this side. Pockets over here, pockets, pockets, pockets. And we got our sponsors on here too, which is nice. WRD, big thank you to them for helping out with the channel. Maritool as well. And then obviously Ironhide. That is the quick cover, the new quick cover from Ironhide Covers. And we'll swing back over here and pull this guy out. This is our new weighted dash cover. This one, we've got beads in it instead of the old steel bars. So get those out of the way. Again, beads instead of the steel bars. So now you don't have to worry about that steel bar possibly thumping into something, banging an LED screen or an LCD screen, or denting the dashboard if it falls on it hard enough. So same design with a little bit better weighting on it. Let's set this guy aside, fold him up, and put that right there. And then we also have our new weighted repair blanket. So this guy you would just toss up here if you're doing a repair, and they are now longer as well. So whatever side you're working on, you can drape it over the fender. That way if you're leaning over the vehicle, you are not going to scratch the fender with your apron and your tools that you may or may not keep in your apron. So that is the new weighted repair cover. A little bit wider as well, it looks. This one also has the glass beads in it to keep it from sliding off of the vehicle while you're using it. Also with Ironhide, you can obviously have your logos printed on them, sponsor logo, business logo, whatever the case may be. Just need a PDF or a high definition file you can send to him, and he can have them printed and sublimated onto your covers. So that is the unboxing and showing of the new weighted cover for repairs, as well as the new quick cover for the hood and fenders. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.